First, though, Nike named a top pick at UBS today, the firm maintaining its buy rating. They say Nike's earnings momentum has very likely not peaked. It's our call of the day. Joe, I go back to you. You own that stock. So you think that some of the supply chain issues can be figured out and the stock's going to bounce back?
Yes, I think the inventory issues will be remedied. I think investors need to focus on the gross margin expansion, which is significant and will continue to push higher. You're also going to have at some point the reopening here in Europe, which is going to benefit Nike as well. But there's just been this structural change about Nike where not only have we gone from wholesale to direct to consumer, but we've also got this focus now on health, on wellness, and on casual wear. And I think that's where the fundamental and technical strength of momentum will continue to push Nike higher. I'm staying with it.
Doc, you own Nike calls. You made some, action in there. You sold calls against your calls. Can you tell the viewers why?
Sure. Last Thursday, Scott, when I was on just ahead of the earnings, we said that people had been buying with the stock at 136 and 137. And then the stock had made that move up to 144. And we said the interesting thing is they're not buying upside calls after that move. This was ahead of the earnings. So we sold at the money calls, those 145 calls. I'm still in that position right now, Scott, the 145s against the 135s and 137s that I owned. So I like it. I think this call is correct, and I think that this is one of those companies that still has, just like Joe said, when you look at health and so forth, a lot of people look at the Apple Watch as part of that. Nike is also part of this ecosystem, not with Apple, but separately, of course, and I think that focus on health is going to continue to benefit them. So, yeah, at 136, 137, I think it goes right back to work over 140 in the coming weeks.
Yeah, it's been a monster. I mean, it's been a double over the past 12 months, and the stock's about $10.
Yes.
Right, literally $10 exactly off of its 52-week high. Obviously, it hasn't done that much lately, and it was a disappointment in terms of stock performance off of the earnings.